play your Spotify on different devices at the same time. So as you can see, I have my Spotify open right here. So what I want to do is, if I want to open my Spotify, if I want to play any song right here, as you can see, I can play it. So in order to listen to my speaker, I'm just going to tap on it. So here it will say an option to select a device. So if you have your account logged into another device, it will show up right here. You can tap on it to play it on your device. You won't be able to play it simultaneously at the same time. So if you have Spotify Premium, then you will see an option to host a party or a listen party. You'll get an option there. From there, you can share the link to create a jam, but that's about it. There is no possible way to play your song simultaneously on different devices. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.